Explain why BeH2 molecule has a zero dipole moment although the BeH bonds are polar. BeH2 is a linear molecule and their bond angle is 180 degree. BeH bonds are polar due to difference in their electronegativity, but the bond polarities cancel each other. Thus, molecule has resulting dipole moment of 0. In beryllium chloride, beryllium is del positive and chlorine is del negative due to the electronegativity difference. So, in beryllium chloride produce two dipoles, but the directions are opposite. So, the dipoles will cancel and the net dipole moment of the molecule become equal to 0. Which out of NH3 and NF3 has higher dipole moment and why? In NH3, the dipole moment of the three NH bonds are in the same direction as the lone pair of electron. But in NF3, the dipole moments of the three NF bonds are in the direction opposite to that of the lone pair. Therefore, resultant dipole moment in NH3 is more than in NF3. The dipole moment of NH3 is equal to 1.46 dB and for NF3 equal to 0.24 dB. Distinguish between a sigma bond and a pi bond. Sigma bond. In sigma bond, s orbitals are involved in the formation of sigma bond. In pi bond, s orbitals are not involved in the bond formation. The overlap is quite large and the bond formed is strong in the case of sigma bond. Pi bond is comparatively weak. The sigma bond is formed by axial overlap of atomic orbitals. The pi bond is formed by the sidewise overlap of atomic orbitals. Only one lobe of the p orbital is involved in sigma bond formation. Both lobes of p orbitals are involved in the overlap of pi bond. In sigma bond, the electron cloud formed is symmetry. In pi bond, the electron cloud is unsymmetrical.